So we looked out the window this morning and the sun was spitting out, it was beautiful. And Lash said, "Oh, Papa, can we go out and play, can we get out and play?" I said, "Yeah, come on, let's go." So out it came, arrived at the location and it's snowing and the hail's coming down. But Lassie was like, "Oh, let's go and play anyway, let's go and play anyway." I thought, okay, fair enough. I said, "How do you fancy a wee game of hide and seek?" So, do you fancy a game of hide and seek? So she's excited about that. Right, Camden, we're going to play. Right, here's how it's going to work. Lassie's going to go off. And hide somewhere. Now don't go too high, okay? And don't go too far, okay? But you go off and hide. I'll count up to 100. Hide my eyes, of course. I'll count up to 100 and then I'll come and try and find you, okay? So you go and find someone good to hide, okay? When you go. So, she's off to try and find someone good to hide and I'll count up to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think Lassie should be well hidden by now. So let's see if I can find her. So what I'm going to do is bring up the screen and I can see that it looks like she's somewhere over to my left and forward a little bit. So I'm going to follow the red line and see if I can get myself right to her. So let's try that. So let's see if I follow this red line and see if I can find where she went and hid. And the hail is pounding down. Oh, she's coming back home. Lassie, what are you doing? She's coming back home. I don't think she knows how to play this game. Where is she? Why is she returning to home? I have to send it again. She doesn't get this. Okay, Lisa, it's very good you've come back home. Is it because it was snowing? Oh, that snow's getting quite heavy now. So, that wasn't the game. That wasn't the idea. The idea was you're supposed to go and hide. Then I'm supposed to come and find you. So do you want to try again? Going back and hide in the same place, and I'll see if I can come and find you, okay? Alright, off you go. Okay, this time I think she's managed to hide. Looks like she's coming back home again. She keeps returning. Right, lassie, you have to hide. Don't tell me where you are, just go and hide. Okay, and I'll come and find you. Don't worry about coming home, I'll find you. I think she's scared that I'm going to run away and not come and find her. So I'm going to... She needs to hide, that's it. You hide. Alright, don't be scared. I'll come and find you. Okay. So that's her. She's landed and she's hiding, so I'm going to find her now by checking the map, and I can see that she's off to the left and forward so. Let's follow the red line and see if it will take us towards her, where she's hiding. As long as she doesn't try and take off again. So, okay, so we're following this red line, and I'm the blue dot on the screen, and the yellow H is where she took off from. That's her home point. So if I keep following the red line, and she's a little blue arrow on the map, so I don't know where she is. She's hiding quite well, but she's over in that area over there, so she's maybe hiding behind that wee building. There's a wee building there. She's maybe decided to hide behind it. So the blue dot, that's me, is getting closer and closer to the blue triangle, and that's Lassie. And it looks like she's very close to that building. And I'm getting close to it as well. So we're pretty close now. So if I turn on the Find My Drone and ask her to flash and beep. Haha. What we've got now is... There she is. Flashing and beeping. Found you, Lassie. And that's how you use the Find My Drone. So let's stop Lassie flashing and beeping. So that's a good little game to play, and I think Lassie had fun playing that. I had fun playing that, and we found her in the end. And got her safe. Safe back. So Lassie, did you enjoy that? Was that a good fun game? She enjoyed that, and we'll come out and play that again another time when it's not quite so snowy, not quite so wet, okay? Right, so I think we'll head back to the car now, although the snow's stopping now. You could go for a little fly around and have a look and see what you can see. Do you fancy that? Right, we'll send her off. She wants to go and have a look and have a look round. So we'll send her off to have a wee look around. You go and have a quick look. You've still got a bit of battery left in you and see what you can see. Right, say bye-bye to everybody. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.